tears in your black Jeep. Ooh, you got me feeling things I can't breathe, making me believe in things I can't see. Magic, every time we touch.
现在我在等服务员来点餐，这些服务员就真的好忙啊。他们真的好辛苦啊！这个天竟然没有室内的，只有室外的。终于从这家吃完了，吃了好久。我记得好像是9点钟、9点半吃的饭，然后出来就已经10点半，也就等于吃了差不多2个小时。吃的我都绝望了，然后现在天都黑了。这是一个卖烟的地方，这个机器好可爱。这个是黄桃口味，特别好吃。出来喽！我终于回来了，可以吃了顿饭。
It's easy to see how everything is loosely put into a box to describe how it is working. But can you tell me, how did she knock me off of my feet when she said hello? My name is beautiful. I said excuse me, miss, but it's tough.
然后我其实已经预定了，但是昨天我没有起来，唉，做了那个导游，然后他让我去里面看看。
Those deep breaths that get me through the time she's standing next to me. She's nothing short of lovely. Does she notice that I can't breathe? Everything around me's getting hazy. I'll loosen up my tie, no use in being shy. So take one petal at a time and toss it to the ground. Closer now, I'll touch your lips to mine and feel how we have to hold our breath to make sure we don't miss one moment tonight. Moonlight, I can see the mystery behind your eyes. With every taste going,
现在在排教堂，进去之后就可以拍照。
can only make me appreciate your heart. I adore you. So take one petal at a time and toss it to the ground. Closer now. I'll touch your lips to mine and feel how we have to hold our breath to make sure we don't miss one moment tonight. Oh, oh. Quiet now, she's fast asleep into my arms. She's clinging. You're mine, girl, and my heart is yours. Oh, oh, oh. So take one petal at a time and toss it to the ground. Closer now. I'll touch your lips to mine and feel how we have to hold our breath to make sure we don't miss one moment tonight.
吃到这道甜品，我就可以回家啦。